Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the nation any time now. What will be the address on is the big suspense. Remember, the new generation GST reforms, which is being called as GST 2.0, kick in from 12 p.m. tonight. Will that be the big takeaway of this address to the nation? Is there a possibility of some kind of package announcement? Is there going to be an emphasis on vocal for local, the Swadeshi push, which has been very critical of what the Prime Minister has been saying on multiple occasions in recent times? Will there be a push again on Atmanirbhar Bharat, that there has to be self-reliance? That's the only way the Indian economy will grow. This address to the nation comes at a very, very critical juncture. It is coming just ahead of the festive season, just ahead of Navratri. That is the reason why there is a lot of suspense over it. Aishwarya Paliwal joins us from the BJP headquarters. That's where perhaps several BJP leaders will also be watching this address to the nation. Aishwarya, any moment that address to the nation is going to begin?
Well, you know, Maria, one of the key things that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been doing over the past many years is the fact that whenever he wants to give out a larger message, he has these addresses, because he understands, and people also understand, that this is a direct conversation of sorts that Prime Minister Modi is having with the people of the country. What these GST reforms are, how they will impact each and every one of us, and how there's a larger picture at play. Something that we have been all waiting for, and that's something that we have seen even in the policies that the government has come up with over the last almost 11 years, with the idea, the larger picture very, very clear. India wants to move from being a developing nation to being a developed nation by 2047. So that's the key focus here. We are also seeing how several policies are out. And, you know, we have also seen how most of the nations say that for them, their country comes first. And this is exactly what Prime Minister Modi has also been speaking about, that for India and for the Bharatiya Janata Party, specifically for Prime Minister Modi, it is India first, will always be India first.
So the reforms, remember, these new generation GST reforms is aimed at enhancing the ease of doing business, ease of living and investing in India by lowering taxes on everyday essentials, including food items and